Let's go back to 3:35 this afternoon in Noxubee County. That blue dot right there along Highway 45, that was the tornado debris. Again, the tornado touched down, lifted debris. That's what we detected. We were tracking the storm in real time right here on WCBI TV. There's our tornado reported. But the complex started in Texas, moved all the way across the region, and has been producing tornadoes in Georgia to our south in southeastern and southern Mississippi. Big, violent tornadoes down that way. It's going to be interesting to see what the Weather Service rates as those, as far as intensity is concerned. Now, we have a couple of warnings still in play right now. This goes for areas in Lafayette County near Oxford, Water Valley, Coffeyville. You've been under the gun with some gusty showers here, and those severe thunderstorm warnings have been extended to Bruce and Calhoun City and Bardaman. We also have this line arcing back through Winona. This has had a history of wind gusts of 60 miles per hour. It's momentum driven right now. It doesn't look that impressive on radar. It is moving east quickly. So heads up in Bruce by 10:30, Houston by 10:49, Eupora by 10:39, New Albany by 10:51. This is gradually weakening as it's moving east, but it's still producing some gusty winds. So we'll continue to follow it. The tornado threat next to zero. We've also had some heavy rainfall. Look at this in southwestern Winston County today. All that high water due to the fact that we've had 3 to 6 inches of rain here in Winston County, and really a good 1 to 5 across a good chunk of the region. So that's what's been going on here, Trevor, and we really caught that action in Louisville. Check out the time lapse here.
Absolutely. I mean, you were mentioning anywhere from 3 to 6 inches in Winston County. You can see that on the Alpha Insurance Camera Network time lapse. I mean, several rounds of gully washers, some very heavy rain, a couple rounds of severe thunderstorm warnings, some small hail in Louisville. Really, Winston County just kind of got a little bit of everything today, but a little bit of a break now, as Keith mentioned, now that these first round of storms has moved out. We do have that second round to contend with here in the next 3 to 4 hours. Low of 57 as you wake up tomorrow morning. I'll show you that on Futurecast. So here's 10 o'clock. There's that line of storms right there along I-55. That's going to be further into our area by about midnight. See, by midnight, I think most of us here in the Golden Triangle could see some gusty winds, maybe some small hail or heavy rain. And as Keith mentioned, we are not really too concerned about tornadoes with this batch of storms. This is kind of the end-all, last case. Like, we don't have to worry about this much anymore. Can't rule out an isolated tornado, but I really don't think that is what we are concerned about. Our main concern with this is going to be some gusty winds as that rolls through. It gets out of here pretty quickly, though. By 2 or 3 in the morning, we are dry, and as you wake up on Monday morning, we are going to see a few clouds out there, but it is going to shape up to be a really nice day. A mix of sun and clouds through the day. Highs a little cooler, only in the mid-60s tomorrow, and really we're going to stay cool for the next few days. Low 60s for highs on Tuesday and Wednesday, nearly 10 degrees below average where we normally are this time of year. So really beautiful weather coming up for the next few days. Temperatures going to stay fairly cool, though, only getting up to the low 70s by the end of the week. Our next best chance of rain hangs on until the weekend with highs in the 70s. We're back with more after this. Stay with us.